So I'm showing you now the assembly of the wire wheels, and this one is already partially assembled, mainly because it is a very long job and it is a tedious and repetitive one. I just wanted to give you a quick look, and I'll try to show you how it is assembled. Mainly it consists of 3 layers of wiring. We have the lower rim, the middle one and the top one. This is the top one that I'm going to build now. Each one of the wires goes here in the lower part of the center hub, the middle one too, and now the top one will go here to the top edge of the wheel hub. Each layer consists of 20 wire or spokes, whatever you want to call it, and this is it. The wire itself and this little pin that inserts into the outer rim and keeps the wire in place. So I'm going to start assembling the top layer now, so I can show you then how the wheel looks when it is finished, and of course I will speed up things when I show you, because it can take quite a long time. So let's go.